My auntie has been a nurse for 40 years. She was really keen on actually pushing me to do nursing.
I was a nurse in Tonga and came here, raised my family, then I started again.
When she came in, she started working in Auckland Hospital. And I had this feeling that she had plans for me, but I didn't know why.
I recognized the qualities that he has, and I thought he will make a good nurse. He was gentle, compassionate.
At first, I wasn't really into doing it. I was more like thinking, oh, I can't even say no to my auntie. But when we started like getting into the notes and learning the purpose of doing this course and doing that course, I started liking it.
It was great, and I know he was doing all right because he studied. I walk into his room and there will be a list of things to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Friday.
It was really scary at first. But when I moved on to the second semester and finished the first year, I started to understand how it works. And then it actually developed my confidence on like, oh, sitting exams, try to get this, and then you pass. And then that's what you need for the course.
When Nathan is home, people think that he is my son because we do things together. We go shopping, the garden, it's us. We love doing it together, and we always admire the flowers more than anybody else, and no wonder because we do the garden. We love doing things together.
Without my auntie, I think I wouldn't be here in New Zealand, to be honest.